बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 19 जनवरी 2025 के अखबार की जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी। पाकिस्तान नेवी ज़रूरत इंस्ट्रक्टर PNS कारसाज में ग्रेड 17 में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की बुनियाद पर सिविलियन इंस्ट्रक्टर मर्द/ख़वातीन की असामी के लिए सिविलियन और रिटायर्ड नेवी ऑफिसर से दरख्वास्त मतलूब हैं। अहलियत उम्मीदवार किसी भी तस्लीम शुदा यूनिवर्सिटी से मास्टर/बैचलर 4 साला मैथमेटिक्स में डिग्री याफ्ता हों। उम्र की हद ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 45 साल हो। नोट: तनख्वाह और दीगर मुआवजे का तयन उम्मीदवार की काबिलियत और तजुर्बे के मुताबिक किया जाएगा। तदरीसी तजुर्बा काबिल तरजीह होगा। TA/TA अलाउंस नहीं दिया जाएगा। दरख्वास्तें कमांडेंट PNS कारसाज हबीब इब्राहिम रहमतुल्लाह रोड कराची को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 15 फरवरी 2025 तक माँ दस्तावेज़ात और मुफस्सिल CV इरसाल कर दी जाएंगी। फ़ोन नंबर 02148503247 02148503247 248503132 पर रब्ता करें। अच्छा जी, ये टेक्निकल राइटर की जॉब है। वी आर हायरिंग जॉइनर्स एंड IT firm is seeking a technical writer to assist with proposal responses. The ideal candidate should have substantial experience in researching topics outlined in PWS requirements and crafting through well structured responses. A background in IT or engineering is essential. Interested applicants are encouraged to submit their credentials. Please apply only if you meet the experience criteria. Please send your CV at amirst3@gmail.com. WhatsApp contact 0331471669 0331471669। छिपा वेलफेयर को ड्राइवरों की ज़रूरत है। छिपा वेलफेयर के शोबर अफरादी क़ुव्वत को बड़ी तादाद में ड्राइवरों की ज़रूरत है। दरख्वास्त शनाख्ती कार्ड की फ़ोटोकॉपी के हमरा। इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। राब्ता फ़ोन 1020 छिपा हेड ऑफिस FTC पुल शाहराह फैसल कराची। अच्छा जी, ये टीचर्स की जॉब है। डॉन संडे 19 जनवरी 2025 के अखबार की। Teachers are well reputed school of FB area urgently require master or MPhil teachers having experience of 3 years from good educational institute for English, computer, biology, chemistry, physics and Pakistan studies. Email infona1974@gmail.com infona1974@gmail.com. Join our team at Happy Palace Group of School at HPGS. We are looking for dynamic female individuals to fill the following positions: principal/vice principal, pre-primary, primary, secondary, O levels. Front desk officer requirements: exceptional communication skills, proficient in Microsoft Office or related software, a confident, independent and well-groomed personality, experience at least 2 years as vice principal, age limit 35 to 50 years, gender specification female only. Apply at careers@hpgs.edu.pk. Alternatively, you can visit us in person from Monday to Saturday between 20th to 25th January 2025 from 8 AM to 3 PM. Job location: Johar, Malil, North Nazimabad. Rafaya Machra Department location: C266, 267, 268, Block 10, Federal B area, Karachi, Pakistan. Call us for information 02136341394 02136341394. Note: only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for further evaluation. Priority will be given to candidates who reside near the specified location. Be a part of HPGS and be a catalyst for shaping future leaders. ये रात के 1:15 बज रहे हैं जो मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ, मगर आपको बैकग्राउंड में से कितना आवाज़ आ रहा होगा ट्रैफिक का, अब मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ। ये बस हमारी खुशकिस्मती समझें या बदकिस्मती समझें कि हमारा रोड फेस का जो है वो फ्लैट है, उसके इतना ही ट्रैफिक होता है बैकग्राउंड में। Sadiqian Grammar School requires the services of trained teachers for the following. The candidates must be fluent in English and have 3 to 4 years experience of teaching in any reputable organization. Female Montessori trained academic coordinator. For pre-primary, female experienced administrator for elementary campus. Mount 4 female Montessori directress for pre-primary section. Mount KG female experienced teachers for English plus social studies plus Sindhi plus mathematics plus computer for junior and middle O level system. 1 to 9 female experienced computer lab assistant. Walk-in interview along with CV from Monday to Friday between 9 AM to 12 noon. Street 6 Block 2 Gulistane Johar Karachi. 021340144690 021340144690. School campus at Safura Chowk University Road requires for its Montessori section 1 head of section 2 directress, 3 assistant directress. Candidates having at least 3 years experience and diploma in Montessori shall be preferred. Handsome salary and immediate appointment is offered. For interview appointment, WhatsApp your CV at 0300 826 7767. 0300 826 7767. Urgently required Lady Hope teacher for class 1 BVS admission test. Interested teachers contact 031304971009. 031304971009. अच्छा जी, जनरल मैनेजर कमर्शियल की जॉब है। नेशनल रिफाइनरी लिमिटेड NRL, ठीक है जी। वी आर सीकिंग एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड एंड रिजल्ट्स ओरिएंटेड जनरल मैनेजर GM कमर्शियल टू स्फेयर हेड। ये मैं आप लोगों को की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, ठीक है जी। ये की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का, और बाकी मैं रिक्वायरमेंट्स बता देती हूँ। और मिनिमम ऑफ 20 ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद लार्ज स्केल कमर्शियल ऑपरेशंस प्रेफरेबली इन द ऑयल रिफाइनिंग सेक्टर और OMCs इंक्लूडिंग एट लीस्ट 5 to 7 years of demonstrated success in a senior leadership position. Strategic thinker with a can-do attitude, strong leadership skills and problem-solving abilities. Extensive expertise in the petroleum market, strategic business planning and customer relationship management. Demonstrated ability to deliver sustainable growth and profitability in competitive markets. Preference will be given to seasoned professionals from reputed organizations. Qualification: master's degree in business of engineering from a reputed institution. Market competitive remuneration package will be offered. Interested candidates can email their CVs to talent_connect@nrlpak.com no later than 2nd February 2025. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. अच्छा जी, ये चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर की जॉब से। आवर क्लाइंट इज़ एन इंटीग्रेटेड LPG कंपनी इंगेज्ड इन द बॉटलिंग स्टोरेज। ये जो क्वालिफिकेशन, एक्सपीरियंस एंड कॉम्पिटेंसीज मस्ट बी अ मेंबर ऑफ अ रिकग्नाइज्ड प्रोफेशनल अकाउंटिंग बॉडी सच एज CA, ACMA, ACCA, ETC. Alternatively, must hold a master's degree in finance from an HEC recognized university. The candidate must possess a minimum of 12 years post-qualification experience with at least 5 years of the C-level position experience in a medium to large size organization. Should not be more than 55 years of age. The selected candidate will be offered an attractive remuneration package commensurate with experience, as the company is an equal opportunity employer. Women and individuals with Disabilities will be equally considered. Strict confidentiality is maintained at all times. If you fulfill the criteria as above and are ready to take up this challenging assignment, you are requested to apply by 3rd February 2025. Please email your CV/resume with a picture and date of birth in MS Word or PDF format to cfo7-whilegas@enihr.com. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. For the interview, you will be required to submit duly verified educational and experience documents upon requested. Executives Network International, premier executive search consultants specializing in C-level and senior management. Career opportunities in Pakistan, Middle East and Far East. अच्छा जी, एक और ये सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव की जॉब है. कैंडिडेट मस्ट बी टीचेबल एंड हार्ड वर्किंग एंड मस्ट possess a graduate degree, 3 years experience and good communication skills. Please send your CV to info@magnetreat.com.pk. ठीक है जी, एक और ये जॉब है. पाक अरब रिफाइनरी लिमिटेड, पाकिस्तान अबू धाबी जॉइंट वेंचर, चीफ ऑपरेशंस एंड टेक्निकल ऑफिसर, और ये कराची की जॉब है. फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोजीशन एट इट्स कॉरपोरेट हेड क्वार्टर्स इन कराची. पोजीशन ओवरव्यू, तो मैं क्वालिफिकेशंस एंड कॉम्पिटेंसीज बता देती हूँ. द कैंडिडेट शुड possess एन engineering degree in chemical or mechanical discipline from a reputable institution. Additional relevant qualification in the fields of business and project management will be preferred. Experience आप लोग देख लें, 20+ years of experience in operations management, engineering services, technical support, asset integrity and project management within the petroleum or process industries, with at least 5 years in a senior leadership role, preferably overseeing operations of a large and complex refinery and pipeline infrastructure. Responsibilities आप लोग देख लें. Essential requirements: comprehensive knowledge of petroleum refining processes, operational efficiency standards and maintenance requirements, a strong understanding of refinery economics including crude/feedstock. This role represents a unique opportunity to make a significant impact on Parco's operations, technology and long-term growth. If you possess the requisite qualification and experience and are driven by a passion for excellence, we invite you to apply for this prestigious position. To apply, please submit your detailed resume and cover letter outlining your qualification and experience for consideration at jobs@parco.com.pk, latest by February 16, 2025. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interviews. Parco is an equal opportunity employer. We value diversity and encourage candidates from all backgrounds to apply. Our commitment to a conducive work environment is designed to attract and nurture top talent. अच्छा, ये मैंने अभी आपको जॉब बताई थी ना, एग्जीक्यूटिव्स नेटवर्क इंटरनेशनल की, उसकी एक और पोस्ट आई हुई है, करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी, और 3rd February इसकी लास्ट डेट है. मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर की पोस्ट है. इसके लिए मैं क्वालिफ़िकेशन बता देती हूँ आप लोगों को. क्वालिफ़िकेशंस: एक्सपीरियंस एंड कॉम्पिटेंसीज मस्ट बी ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम अ local/foreign university recognized by HEC in business, commerce, financial management, accountancy, engineering or other related disciplines. A postgraduate degree will be preferred. Memberships of recognized professional bodies would be desirable. Minimum 20 years of post qualification experience is a prerequisite, out of which at least 10 years should be in a senior management role in sales, marketing, finance, supply chain, etc. Preference shall be given to individuals having experience in the oil and gas sector or those who have held a leadership role in a company, preferably in the LPG mid/downstream sector. Age should not exceed 62 years on the date of application. The selected candidate will be offered a 3-year employment contract extendable by mutual consent with an attractive remuneration package. Commensurate with experience, as the company is an equal opportunity employer. Women and individuals with disabilities will be equally considered. Successful candidates shall be appointed in accordance with the State-Owned Enterprises Government and Operations Act 2013, Public Sector Companies Appointment of CEO Guideline 2015, Public Sector Companies Corporate Governance Rules 2013, State-Owned Enterprise. You will be required to submit duly verified educational and experienced documents upon request. Strict confidentiality is maintained at all times. If you fulfill the criteria as above and are ready to take up this challenging assignment, you are requested to apply by 3rd February 2025. Please email your CV/resume with a picture and date of birth in MS Word or PDF format to md-lpg@enihr.com. Executive Network International. Premier Executive Search Consultants specializing in C-level and senior management career opportunities in Pakistan, Middle East and Far East. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।